Hey there, welcome to the video where we tackle a tricky problem involving concepts in C++. The problem we're facing revolves around the usage of the deducing this feature and how it interacts with concepts when applied to different structs. It's a puzzle that requires a deep dive into how concepts work and their limitations when it comes to declaration versus definition. Now let's dive into the solution that we have for this problem. In the code provided, an important piece to focus on is the modification made to the operator plus equals in the struct y. By explicitly deleting the const version of the operator, we are ensuring that any attempt to call the function with a const object will result in an overload resolution failure at the declaration level. This approach effectively restricts the usage of the operator on const objects, aligning with our intended behavior. To wrap things up, we've successfully addressed the issue by leveraging the power of concepts and carefully managing the declaration of our operator function. By explicitly deleting the const version, we've set the stage for the correct behavior we want when working with const objects. I hope you found this explanation helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video for more coding adventures.